Hey everyone, this is Justin White, and I have installed a hard wire mounting system into my car. And basically, what you needed to do is install an additional fuse. I did it to one of the accessories. I kept it under 10 amps. That was the key. And I just took off my front. And then here's the wires for the back. You have this one goes to the radar, and then here's your black and your positive and your negative wire. A fuse, an additional fuse that just came with it, but I also have a 5 amp fuse connected to it with the what is it? Add a fuse. Here, I'll show you it. Here's the add a circuit. So it comes in this box, and I'll show you it right here. And then you can see the add a circuit, that black part right here. And then, so what I did is I just added one complete circuit to the accessory because I wanted my radar to turn on and off with the car. I didn't just want it to stay on. I have a 10 amp fuse for the radar detector, and then I also have the 7.5 for that accessory, that what it came with. And then the red wire goes to the red and black wire, and I crimped it on there. And then you can also see where I grounded it onto where the frame is for the metal. And then the wire goes up here, up the wire stripping, through here, into there, and over to my cord. And you can see it looks very clean from here. No more wires dangling up. It's gonna look very nice. All I need to do is just put this back on and clean up these wires, fold them up. I've got zip ties so I can zip tie them and keep it nice and clean. The nice thing about that add a circuit is it doesn't void your warranty. You're not cutting wires, soldering them, or crimping them all together. It keeps it nice and clean and easy. You can get them at like O'Reilly's, any auto parts, maybe Radio Shack. I don't have any luck with Radio Shack. Alright, let's put this back on. First, let's get these wires crimped and cleaned up. And there she is. It works. It's looking pretty good.